Hey, are you tired of having a bunch of remotes for your TV, your media player, your stereo system, your fan, your Blu-ray player, you name it? There's a bunch of remotes in your living room or in your TV room or wherever you have your TV. There's always a bunch of remotes, and it gets really annoying to have to deal with it. And who wants to spend so much money on like a Harmony hub and have to have the Logitech and programming and bleh. Hey guys, welcome back to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh and thank you so much for stopping by. But today we're going to be talking about dealing with all those remotes. It's really annoying when you have a bunch of remotes for your fan, for your AC unit, for your TV, for your DVD player. Like I said, there's too many stinking remotes in your living room. And it'd be nice to be able to just make it smart. But to have smart items for all of those would be really expensive. So the nice thing is SwitchBot actually covers that. SwitchBot sent us over this Hub Plus, and not only does this connect all their SwitchBots, the little things that you can make your coffee pot smart, check that video over here, but you can also use this as a IR blaster. It literally can learn IR signals, and you can use this to control all those devices in one room. And you only have to have one thing. That's amazing! But once you have the hub actually set up, learning all your different remotes is literally saying learn and pointing the remote at the hub. And once it learns it, then you're done. You can use your smart assistants, you can use your phone to control all these things, and it will control your fan, it will control your TV, it will control any IR remote sensor equipment that you need. You don't need to have a Logitech Harmony remote anymore. You know, they have those universal remotes. Basically think of this as a universal remote, but now it's smart. It's not like you have to program things and, oh, this is the back button. Now, if you want to, you can go into each specific button on your remote and program it for this thing. It can get that specific and get that nitty-gritty, but you can also just say it's a Insignia TV, press the button, and now it has all the controls. That's pretty awesome. So this hub is not just about controlling different items. This hub is just like a hub. It connects a lot of their things together. So you can, if you have SwitchBots, you can now connect them into this hub to where if you say, hey, say your smart assistant's name, turn on my coffee pot or brew me a coffee, it can trigger that little bot to push the button, and then now you have coffee. Because really, it's all about coffee. Let's be honest, it's all about coffee. Not only does SwitchBot make the SwitchBot and their hub, they also make a thermometer slash hygrometer. Hygrometer. Basically the humidity. It can check the humidity and the temps wherever you put this thing. It's magnetic. You can stick it anywhere you want, and it shows you on the nice little display what the temperature is or what the humidity is. So why would you need a smart thermometer and humidity sensor? Well, when you put it all together, it makes a pretty awesome package. So say you have window air units, window air conditioned units. You put the thermometer, smart thermometer, in that room, and you have it linked to where either when this detects a certain temperature that you want it to stay cool to, it will automatically, instead of you pushing a button, if it's an IR sensed a little remote for the AC, it can shoot a blast for that. Or if you've got a SwitchBot on it, it can just trigger the SwitchBot to press the on button to start your AC. And you can do this with a lot of different things. If you've got humidors, if you've got things that you need to keep a certain humidity, if you want to have your thermostat have more than just one temp sensor, because on your thermostat is a temp sensor, and that's where it knows whether it should turn on or off based off of your schedule of whether it's too hot or too cold in your house. Well, with this, you can have it to where even if you don't have a smart thermostat, you can have this smart thermometer in a different room to turn on and trigger your AC unit based off of that room. And you don't have to upgrade your unit at all. All you got to do is have a button to be able to press. I mean, it's pretty awesome what these things can do. So make sure you do go check out my video over here about the actual SwitchBot and how it's annoying to have these smart outlets that say, we can control your coffee pot. No, they can't. That can. So check out that video over there. Anyways, God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.